Are you craving intense pleasure without breaking the bank? The Tracy's Dog OG Sucking Vibrator is the shocking budget secret you need to know for 2025. This isn't just another toy. It's an internet sensation renowned for delivering mind-blowing clitoral suction and surprising dual stimulation, all for under $30. Many cheap toys disappoint, but the OG Sucking Vibrator has proven its durability, with users reporting it lasting 5 years or more. Prepare for an incredibly intense experience. With 10 powerful suction and vibration modes, you'll want to start slow and work your way up. Viewers, you absolutely won't believe the viral review claiming God himself spoke to someone after using this. It's truly that dramatic. Beyond solo use, its flexible design makes it a surprisingly great addition for partner play. Don't let the name fool you. This little device arrives in premium packaging, dispelling any doubts about its quality. Ready to experience the hype yourself? Find links in the video description below to grab your Tracy's Dog OG Sucking Vibrator today and see if your soul leaves your body.